the restoration of Israel. Israel's alive and well, and a Jewish Jerusalem. I was in Israel in 1966, just before the war, just weeks before the war, when Jerusalem changed hands. A predominant prophetic sign, the time of the end, is the reestablishment of Israel. Israel rebuilt in a day, the scripture is clear. May 14, 1948, David Ben-Gurion. Jerusalem restored into Jewish hands, and there's the prophecy. And here we have the event in our lifetimes. The desert bloom and blossom as a rose. Spent 4 years in Israel. Is the desert blossoming as a rose? Beautiful. The Hebrew language revived. Astounding. Restore to the people pure speech, so that all of them will call upon the name of the Lord Adonai and serve him shoulder to shoulder, Zephaniah 3:9. In the late 1800s, Russian immigrant to Israel, Eliezer ben Yehuda, revived the ancient Hebrew language, giving the returning exiles of Israel a common language. That's scholars, Sunday school teachers, preachers, musicians. But thou, O Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book, even to the time of the end. That's when many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased. The immediate fulfillment of that prophecy, the basic concept is this. Theologians agree that at the time of the end, you'll be able to search to and fro. I mean, a common person, a scholar, a theologian, will have the ability to search in the Bible to and fro and search to see if that fulfillment is accurate all over the globe, and will be able to travel to obey the preaching of the gospel like missionaries, run to and fro, knowledge shall increase. That will happen in order for us to be obedient to that prophecy of the Messiah.